SOVEX Service Connect, providing industry-leading service and maintenance. No matter who supplied your machinery, SOVEX can fix it and keep it running smoothly. Servicing the equipment extends the working life of your machines and reduces the likelihood of unexpected and often costly breakdowns, saving you unnecessary downtime and unplanned costs. Service administrators assess the location of over 40 mobile service engineers via GPS tracker to ensure guaranteed response times are met.
Good morning, SOVEX. Sarah speaking. How can I help you?
One of SOVEX's most popular plans is the 2 or 4 hours response time.
And we have priorities here for you. We have a 2-hour response.
This national coverage is provided with a local service, given that our technical advisors are on hand to help 24/7.
And what is the fault with the machine?
A live online system constantly updates to keep clients informed of the engineer's arrival time by text message. Our engineers arrive on site aware of technical drawings, specifications and suspected issues with machinery.
Okay, we'll see you soon. Thank you, Bob. Goodbye.
With a 98% first-time fix rate, automated updates are provided to the online service portal for all customers. Detailed scope of works performed is forwarded to the client by email once the machinery is back fully operational. Regular servicing of equipment and planned preventative maintenance limit possibilities of failure to a minimum and aids compliance of health and safety regulations. SOVEX is also a leader in the manufacturing of spare and replacement parts, along with the procurement of high-quality components from industry-leading suppliers. Experienced staff have curated lists of recommended and critical spare parts for all vehicle loaders and conveyors. Available by express delivery, discounted parts and labour ensure your business is back up and running, limiting downtime to a minimum. Fixed-term contracts mean you can benefit from all-encompassing services, including SOVEX Service Connect, while spreading the costs over the life of the contract. Take advantage of 5 years fixed term, fixed price servicing at today's prices. SOVEX Service Connect.